Hey everyone, Delphi Trading Group here with our weekly trading and UOA recap. This time it's more of a monthly trading UOA recap as we now enter into November. So let's jump into the Delphi room. Again, this is where we do all our amazing stuff, where our community is on Discord. Okay, so if we look in here like we usually do, again, all our trades are posted and journalized. We are here in our week in review channel. We post our trades, and then we also post the performance here. We have a channel here for our open position for our members to keep up on what we're doing. And if we look in deeper, we didn't have any activity for the week on the Delphi signal itself. This is the weekly that we're looking at right now, but you can see what we did here on the week overall. Nothing short of incredible, almost picking up 2% for the total portfolio. Crazy win percentage, like 85%, 11 and 2 for the week. I mean, no words for that. I mean, this profit factor, there's just a blip of red, so that's pretty incredible. And day win rate 100%, 5 and 0. So again, we continue to crush it here at Delphi, weekly and monthly. And if we look at the monthly performance here for October, off the Delphi signal, you can see here we picked almost 1.5% just off of the Delphi signal trades itself, over almost around 71%. Really good win percentage, going 5 and 2. Off of the signal, which is normally the case. Okay, and then overall, no words here. Again, we just continue to do this week in, week out, month in, month out. It's been like this all year. Just a crazy number, 14% for the month of the total portfolio. Beautiful trade win percentage, over 71%. Again, crazy profit factor. And 80% win rate, 20 and 5. Again, anything over, if profitable traders are anywhere between 60 and 65%. You're doing really, really well, and we're posting in the 70s and 80s here. So again, no words for what we're doing here. And if we dive in a little deeper here, I'm not going to look at all the trades, but we showed you we had some trades off the Delphi signal. A lot of these other trades are coming off of our UOA channel. Again, UOA means unusual option activity. We had, UOA. This was a loser. UOA. And then you also notice here that we had a lot of puts. Okay, we were shorting the cycle line that we talked about, which played out for one day, but that one day was a huge drop. And again, you can see some of these puts on the IWM picked up over almost 275%. Okay, on this one here, another IWM trade over 100%. And again, we had UOA down here. These were all UOA winners down here as well. So again, doing what we do here. And, just looking, we had here, which I'll look at right now after this, ARDX, again, another UOA trade on a biotech name we've never seen or heard of before, picked up over 110% on this one here, which I'll look at in a minute. But again, this is what we do here. And again, this is the number that matters down here. Okay. Your winners need to outweigh and outnumber your losers. Anything at 2 or higher, 2 is outstanding, but we're again over 3. So just doing amazing things here. And again, huge shout out to Leviathan, who just continues to crush crypto trades, day trades, futures trades. Again, we're in our crypto channel that he runs, and there's no words for this. A monster explosion of a trader on Bitcoin. This was when the markets were crashing, and he picked up over 360% on this trade. So shout out to him. And if I just scroll down here again, you're going to see a lot of green, a lot of green, a lot of green. And again, these trades were in 121% rocket ship here. Again, there's the rocket ship we put in. But again, a lot of green. And this is when a market is tanking, okay, and being very volatile. He just continues to put out banger trades. This one here's recently. His last trade here on Ethereum picking up 170% rocket ship on this trade. So again, shout out to him for what he continues to do here. Okay, and if we look at our UOA channel, again, this is where we post all our UOA, our unusual option activity. You know, looking at ARDX, which I just showed you guys that we made over 110% on. Again, we post the trade, we post the option flow here. We parse out all the option flow. If we like it, we'll place a trade for the community. Okay, so that is what we do here. And if we just jump to our X channel, okay, if you guys haven't followed us on X, highly recommend. We post a lot of stuff on here. You know, our X handle is at Delphi_trades. Here you can see that. So, you know, please subscribe to this, follow us here. Again, we post a lot of cool stuff here throughout the week. But again, this is when we're talking about our UOA channel, okay? You can see what we posted here. UOA channel on fire. Last 2 days, we spotted and posted UOA put buying on ARCT with the stock at $24. Okay, this is this is a company we don't know. It's a biotech company. And again, we saw some usual activity, UOA, we posted for the community. And again, the next day, this morning, crashing under $9 on negative biotech news. Okay, coincidence? We don't think so. So, and again, nobody does what we do here. And if we look closer, again, you can see somebody came in on the 21st. They bought a bunch of puts, almost $2 million of these puts. And the stock was trading, okay, between $23 and $24. You can see here, again, they came in, they bought more, over $3 million worth of puts. Again, on the 21st, stock trading between $23, $24. And then what happened? Negative news comes out and the stock crashes to under $9. Okay, so just no words for what we're doing here at Delphi. And again, nobody's doing this anywhere. Okay, so again, if you can, just follow us here. We put out a lot of cool stuff on our X channel. And again, going back to the ARDX, again, this is what we did here. We posted the trade at $1.20, which we showed you guys. We closed them the next day at $2.55, over 100%. Okay, so nobody does what we do here. And last but not least, Beyond Meat, we talked about this. It was a week or two ago. Okay, this was a monster trade and winner we had in shares and options. You can see here somebody came in and they bought these $2 calls, which expired this past week. Okay, stock was at roughly 208. Somebody came in and bought almost 7,000 of these calls. And again, this is kind of showing you what we do here. We liked it. We placed a trade. We bought shares at $2. You could see here that also bought shares at $2. And again, we tell people when we sell. Okay, we post our trades. We monitor. We help the community. Again, we're not giving out investment advice. Every trader is responsible for their own trades, but we're kind of guiding the community. And you can see we sold those shares up above $6 and $7. Okay, and this was in a very short period of time. Okay, we could see what those UOAs did. 75 cents, almost got to $6. Complete rocket ship there. And again, our shares we sold. We bought down here at $2, and we got out up here. Okay, so no words. Thankful for the community. Thankful that we're able to help. Them in the community. And again, please like, subscribe, get the word out. We're telling you, we're here to help you guys. We're here to help struggling traders. Check our YouTube channel. We're posting out testimonials from our community with some amazing stories. So check that out as well here on YouTube. All right. Have a great week. Good luck trading, and we will talk to you on the next weekly market report coming out this week. Take care.